If you have a 2007 through 2011 Toyota Camry with a 2.4-liter engine that will not start after replacing an alternator, this video is for you. On this 2009 Camry, the water pump had to be replaced, which involves removing the alternator. After the repair was completed, the car would not start. So, first thing I want to mention is whenever you have to take the alternator out, there is a power wire right here, a 10mm nut, that is very easy to touch against the exhaust and short the circuit. So to make sure that that doesn't happen whenever you change the alternator or have to remove it, make sure to disconnect the negative side of the battery. If it did happen to you and there was a spark here, most likely you have a blown fuse right here. It's this fuse box under the hood, and it is this big blue fuse right here. There are two of them. You want the one, let me see that one? The one that ends with 33030. That's the one you want to replace. And I'll show you a bad fuse so you know what you're looking at. When you look at this set of fuses, you can see each fuse through a clear glass. But the glass of the one on the far left is all foggy. And if you can see through it, you will see that the fuse is blown. Now, as far as the symptoms of this issue go, the first thing you'll notice when you go to start it, it's almost like if the car was in reverse or in drive, where a neutral safety switch just will not let it start. So you turn the key and nothing happens. It happens, no clicking, no nothing. And if you try turning the key to the on position when all the lights come on the dash, and then you push the brake pedal and try to get the shifter out of park, it won't go out of park if your fuse is blown. So if this is the issue you're having, let me show you how to get this fuse replaced. First, you're gonna need to remove the three 10mm screws that hold this fuse box. The one on the bottom sits underneath the battery, so you're gonna have to remove the battery in order to get to it. Once you remove those three screws, the whole thing is gonna loosen up. Pry out this push pin and that will free up the whole fuse box. Once you free up the assembly, tilt it toward the engine so you can gain access to the back of it. Next, we're going to remove this back piece right here. There is a release tab on each side. Pry those out and you'll be able to wiggle that piece up out of there. Next, we're gonna need to move this black cover out of the way because there are two 10mm screws hiding behind it. Now our fuse assembly is ready to come out. Just don't forget to push this little tab out of the way. And there it is. Now you can clearly see the alternator fuse is blown. In the description, I'll have a link to a new one so you can easily find it. To install, reverse the removal procedure. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share your experience, and give feedback in the comments below. Thank you for watching, good luck, and take care.